Welcome back to another very quick job lead. I came across this and I just wanted to share before this expires because it seems like such a good opportunity for someone. So the company Splash, headquartered out of New York, New York, is looking for an executive assistant. Now it says their mission is to develop the most innovative event technology on the planet to help marketers reach and engage their target audiences. From simplifying event asset creation to capturing attendee insights and measuring event impact, Splash enables marketers to efficiently scale event programs and connect event-driven engagement. They claim to have more than half of the Fortune 500 companies using them currently to streamline their event marketing execution. So it says they are looking for a tactical and strategic executive assistant who will partner with the executive team on high priority initiatives across the organization. This position reports directly to the chief people officer and will be a member of their people team. In this role, you will support the CEO and other members of the executive team. You will spearhead the development and execution of Splash offsites and their internal team events. You assist with the preparation of meeting materials as needed, such as slide decks, agendas, and board materials. You'll coordinate the agenda of the senior management team meetings and offsites and on all staff meetings. So you'll be creating meeting agendas for the management team. You'll also manage calendars supporting multiple executives with meetings, events, and travel arrangements. So you will basically be handling the executive schedule and have everything packaged up neatly and nicely for them so to keep them organized since they are so busy on the go in meetings all the time. It does say they expect you to have at least 3 years of experience as an executive assistant supporting multiple executives. So if you've ever been an admin assistant or an executive assistant, this role will be perfect for you. They want someone experienced supporting executives in a fast-paced environment and someone who can demonstrate the ability to maintain a high level of professionalism and judgment. They are also looking for someone who has excellent communication skills and the ability to work effectively across the organization at all levels, someone who can write, edit, and proofread a variety of communication materials, including presentations, the ability to think strategically and act tactically, and experience in and a passion around internal event coordination. They need someone who is proficient in the Google Suite, Slack, and other communication tools. I'm assuming the Google Suite, they are talking about Google Docs and all of that. And it says you take a proactive approach to all tasks with enthusiastic about taking initiative. So they really are looking for a self-starter. Now, some things that they offer in return is a competitive base salary and stock options. It says their success is your success, although they don't mention what the salary is. That can be discussed at the time of interview. They offer a brand new MacBook Pro, not even the low-line MacBooks, but the high-end MacBook Pro. Plus, they also give you a monthly stipend for work from home expenses. So this will be a monthly bonus or stipend so that you can cover any office supplies that you need to purchase to get your job done. It says they offer great healthcare benefits, unlimited vacation days. That one makes me go, I wish my company offered unlimited vacation days. That sounds like a good deal to me. And it says they are a remote first organization, so they pride themselves in offering work from home positions. And it says they also offer a bunch of other great perks. Now, they do kind of make a joke here, and I thought that was very cute, but it says to allow 2 weeks for them to get back to you. It says they promise they're not ignoring you. They're very busy, and I assume they also get a lot of applications. So if you don't hear back immediately, do not worry. Now, as far as my international viewers go, this position does not stipulate whether they hire internationally or only the US only. I'm going to assume it's the US only because if you scroll down to the application, they are asking all the US required equal employment opportunity questions, and they ask about being a military member and all of that. And since they are based out of New York, I am assuming this is going to be for my US only subscribers, but no fear for my international people. I have been working all day searching for job leads. There will be a video coming very soon for you, I promise. If you have not already answered the poll in the community tab about what country you are from, if you could please do that, because that will really help me hone in on what jobs I need to be finding for you so that they're actually helpful for you. But with that said, if you've made it through this entire video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Make sure you are subscribed because I post fresh job leads daily. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.